So hey guys, it's vacation time again. So it's actually Friday and tomorrow we leave, but the babies are not coming. So yeah, impake ulit tayo. I don't know what to bring. It's always a struggle to know what to bring. And this time, drive naman tayo. See you later. Love you. So time check. It's 5:00 a.m. and we're almost leaving. So see, the moon is still there. But yeah, since it's just the 5 of us, we're using mommy's car instead. It's 7 p.m. and sakto na daanan namin yung superstore. We decided to drop by to get some stuff for the next couple of days. So yeah. Finally at the Airbnb and I look like crap because I have not gotten sleep the past a day and a half. So yeah. But now it's time for the house tour. Basically, this is the front door. This is what you see when you get in. The shoes, the closet, and then you go over here. You look to the right, and it's a powder room. Where is the light? I look like a mess, but yeah, it's the powder room. And then over here is the garage. Hello? We want this open. I don't know where the freaking lights are. But I'm scared. Baka may multo. It's a garage. This is the kitchen. Natalie, say hi. Mom. This is the kitchen. Dad's over there laying down. This is the living room. And then the dining area. And then the backyard. So let's go take a look at that. So this is what the backyard looks like. It's pretty. This is a very quiet neighborhood. Sorry, but yeah, it's like really nice here. And then let's go back in. Now we're gonna go downstairs to the basement. This is the basement. It is one whole room. Where are the lights here? I'm so scared. Okay, so this is a really nice room. It's so cold down here. They have their own private washroom here. And then I think this can turn into a bed, but I'm not sure. And then this is the power area. That I don't know what that is. And then over here, oh my shooty, is the laundry. Time to go upstairs
I'm really tired because I'm out of shape basically, you know? I don't know what I'm saying anymore, but anyways, when you get upstairs, this is the view when you look down. Yes, but when you get up here, you go straight. It is the bathroom. Where are the lights? So this is a bathroom. It is connected to the master. No, yeah. This is the master's closet. Mom and dad's closet, basically. Let's turn the light on. So, this is the, what's it called? The master bedroom. Their view, I don't know what their view is. Oh, it's the front. There you go. And then once you go out, you see 2 bedrooms there, which in the left bedroom, me and Ate Ali are staying in. So this is what the room looks like. There's a walk-in closet, and then just a bed. Ouch. And then we have a view of the backyard. Yes. We had to open the window really quick because it's like really hot in here. But yeah, so to go over here next door is Atabach's bedroom. But yeah, this is her closet. Her room is dark in here. But yeah. So that is the tour of our Airbnb. Oh, I forgot this. But it's just a closet of extra, like, kumat blanket, yeah. But yeah, this is the view from up here. So, toodaloo. Time check, it's 10:47 evening mountain time, so 11:47 central time, and I just showered, and yeah, that's pretty much the first day of vacation, the travel day, road trip. So brushing my teeth and see you later.